COLEEN Rooney believes Rebekah Vardy's case has collapsed in their Wagatha Christie trial, after she admitted her own agent was a likely story leaker. In a dramatic last-minute twist in the footie wives libel battle, lawyers for COLEEN, 36, say Becky had come clean. 3. Becky, right, with her agent Caroline Watt, who she admits is a likely source of the leak's credit, Instagram. 3. Becky sued for libel after COLEEN claimed stories had been leaked from her account to the pressCredit, Splash. Becky, 40, sued for libel after COLEEN claimed stories had been leaked from her account to the press, with the trial starting on May 9. However, the wife of Leicester striker Jamie submitted a statement to London's High Court this week which admitted her agent Caroline Watt was a likely culprit. In a major victory for press freedom, a bid by both sides' teams to force the Sun into identifying our sources, branded a fishing expedition, was also dismissed. Judge Mrs. Justice Stein said protection of journalistic sources outweighed any other considerations. COLEEN's lawyer David Sherborne said, the collapse of Ms. Vardy's case over the last day has been remarkable. As of Wednesday evening, in an abrupt change of position to her pleaded case, Mrs. Vardy appears now to accept Mrs. Rooney's case. That Caroline Watt, Ms. Vardy's close friend and PR, was the conduit by which stories from the defendant's private Instagram account were leaked. It is only now, over 2 weeks later and on the eve of trial, that Mrs. Vardy has been forced to come clean. Becky insists she did not authorize or condone Ms. Watt to leak the stories, but accepts she was likely the source. Mr. Sherborne added, Mrs. Rooney has always known Mrs. Vardy was complicit in Ms. Watt's activities. Mrs. Vardy has condoned, authorized, approved and directed such disclosures by Ms. Watt. Becky's lawyer, Hugh Tomlinson QC, said there had been important recent developments. He added, they were completely unexpected and outside the claimant's control. As the claimant explains in her evidence, it has taken her time to process and consider the new information. Ms. Watt had been expected to give evidence in the upcoming trial but is now deemed unfit to attend. COLEEN, wife of England legend Wayne, turned detective in 2019 to find out who had been leaking stories about her, before dropping the bombshell, it's Rebekah Vardy's account. Becky called COLEEN a C, adding, I can't sit back and let her get away with this. 3. Leicester striker Jamie with Becky credit, Splash.